To accept or decline awards that have been offered to you in your financial aid package, first log into your Web for Student. Once inside, select Student Information and Financial Aid. Select Financial Aid, then Award, Award for Aid Year, and then select the appropriate year, in this instance, Fall 2020 to Spring 2021. Now you will need to accept the terms and conditions for the awards being offered. Make sure to read this page carefully. You can see here that this student has already accepted the terms and conditions. Now you can go to the Accept Award Offer tab. Scroll down, and you'll find the awards that have been offered you need to make a decision on. We automatically assume that you want grant aid, so we accept that on your behalf. Here, the student has decided to accept the federal work study that was offered for the year, as well as the direct federal subsidized loan. For the direct unsubsidized loan, the student is going to accept it, but they only want $1,000 for the whole year. So they enter the $1,000 in the box next to it. The family has decided to decline the Parent Plus loan. Since they're not accepting all of the awards in the full amount, you'll need to hit Submit Decision instead. Now you can scroll down again and see all of the awards that you've accepted. Notice that in the award, when you selected $1,000 for the unsubsidized loan, it gets split $500 in the fall and $500 in the spring. Keep this in mind if you decide to accept a partial amount of an award. Further down on the page, you'll find new unsatisfied disbursement requirements. This lets you know what your next steps are for any of the loans that you have accepted in your package. For more information on completing the entrance counseling and master promissory note, check out our other videos here. Thanks for watching.